Is it quitting time yet? Got this side masked off. Now I just got to do the other side. Oh my gosh. For y'all guys out there who need an idea on how to clean this without getting on the roof, making even a bigger mess, I just put my clean rag and my prep saw on a Swiffer. That's it for the day. Now it's time to tack. Well, I got it in sealer. I'm dying. I used an industrial grade epoxy sealer. It's one of the strongest, best ones you can use. Now I gotta wait an hour before I can start putting the paint on. That's fine with me. Oh. I fell off this a minute ago. I forgot I moved the ladder out from under it because I needed it. And I walked to the edge and the whole thing fell with me. So I got some trash on that cowl panel on this side where my hand hit it. Trying to catch myself. You see where I put a hole in the windshield. So I got to nip that out. All I did was tint it up to 10% with I think one of the main blues that are in the color Dale Black gave to me. It'll help cover like it should a lot better. Got the roof, everything in sealer. You can see I'm having to work with all these ladders. I'm having to move this big one back and forth around it. Use that step stool right there. Use those. I got a board that goes across the back that is dangerous. Like, squeeze. Like I'm painting in between this area. It's interesting. But here's my board that goes across the back. It's a little wobbly, scares the crap out of me. But, golly. Only thing I hate about doing these trucks is how many ladders I need. I got to figure out a good way to set these up. But you can see how hot I'm sweating. And I got it 70 degrees in here. Whew, golly. She's a beast.